Hey guys, so I got a noise in the on the car. One of the tires is on the passenger side, rear tire, and I don't know where the noise is coming from. I check everywhere. I check the brakes. I check. I haven't lifted the car or taken the wheel out. But I hear this grinding noise, and it's a killer noise. Uh, so hopefully nothing is broke so far. I hope so. I wish. Uh, when I check the brake, the disc, by passing my finger through, it feels smooth. It's very smooth. I just don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. Just don't know what's going on. And then I was thinking maybe it was one of these parts right here, but I check and then I move the car back and forward. Let me see, 1 second. I think I got an idea. Okay guys, so as you guys can see right here, this is me trying to figure out what's going on with the car, using my phone. Looking through me by experience of previous experiences. I've been, maybe there's a rock or a shape or some kind of metal right here, but the sound came out to be like metal, grinding metal. So I was so concerned about this noise. That's when I realized, hey, I need to stop the car. I need to take a look at this, because if no, I just need to get the towing truck to get it out of here. So guess what, guys? Start looking for this piece of metal rubbing on my brakes, because I knew it was coming from the tire. And then there's nothing. I don't see nothing, and I check my phone and I point at different angles and I keep checking and nothing. So I'm like, maybe the transmission is blown. Maybe it's the transmission. Maybe I don't know what's going on. Like I said to you guys. But guess what, guys? Take a look at this. And that was it. That son of a, you know what I'm talking about. So the noise that came from that section of the car was incredible, crazy, way too much. I was super scared. I was like, this is it. This is it. Let's put some more money into this car. So I'm glad that I found it was a rock. I was able to maneuver myself around the parts without taking the wheel out, and then I was able to get that rock out. I don't know how the rock got in there. But it looks to me like the GTR has a great system on how to get this kind of debris out of the tire, section area. I'm pretty simple. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions about the noise, I was not able to record the actual noise, the grinding noise, but here we go, son of a bitch right there. But if it happens again, I will, okay? Because now I'll be more, I won't be that concerned about what might be breaking the car or something. But that piece of rock, it's so small rock, broke the whole thing. Trust me, when I say it broke the whole thing, it was just disaster, guys. Disaster. I was very scared. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you get something out of this, and hopefully you can share, post, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys? I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for all of us. Take care, guys. Bye. And yes, I was just going crazy trying to look for any other debris, but nothing happened. It was pretty good. Anyway, those are the wheels, tires. Loving it. Thanks. Love the Nissan GTR. Best car in the world. See you mañana, guys. Bye.